English speaking course.
Hey, Mary. What's up?
Hi, Bob. I'm quite annoyed that there is something in the neighborhood that smells unpleasant.
Oh, really? I don't smell anything strange.
I work out regularly in the morning and I really enjoy the fresh air at that time. But recently, I have always smelled a strong smell.
Oh, I see. Let me see. Is it the smell of the garbage truck?
I guess not, because it doesn't come here until 9 a.m. Hey, look, Bob, your dog.
Hi, Mary.
Oh, Bob, your dog drives me crazy. I hate to tell you, but last night it barked until 3 a.m. I was exhausted because I had to work overtime that evening. But your dog kept barking and it made me unable to sleep.
I'm terribly sorry about the inconvenience of my dog. But don't worry, I'm trying to teach her to use the toilet and keep quiet at night.
I can't stand it any longer. I do wish you could keep your words.
Okay, I will try, Mary.
Okay, have a nice day. Talk to you later.
Bye. See you later. Excuse me. There appears to be something wrong with my bill. Can you help me to check the bill?
Certainly, sir. Let me see. You've got 2 kilos of mangoes, which is $4.50. A tube of toothpaste, $3. An electric cooker, $79.
Oh, I think I have been charged the incorrect amount for that cooker. I saw it on the shelf with the price tag of $65, not $79.
I suggest you leave it with us and we'll see what we can do.
Oh no! I had to wait for 15 minutes in a long line at the cash register.
We are really sorry. Could you please wait a minute? I will call the manager of the department store. Can I see your bill again, sir?
I'm quite angry because the discount is not included as you advertised. And this keeps me waiting for more than 20 minutes to get my bill corrected.
Okay, I see. Here is your extra money. We are terribly sorry for this mistake. We promise not to do that again.
Okay, I hope so. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We hope to serve you again. Hey, Nick, don't you have classes today? No, today I have off. You see, I have been playing this game since you left for school. Guess what? I'm up to level 20. You seem so proud of that. But look, the room looks like a mess. You barely clean the room, do you? Oh, You also put your clothes everywhere on the floor. You said that you were busy reviewing for the coming exam. So I have helped you wash the dishes and take out the garbage for the last 3 weeks. But now the exam is over. You have to take responsibility for cleaning the room as we have shared. Okay, I see. Honestly speaking, I have been lazy these days. But from now on, I will be responsible for my tasks. By the way, I'm afraid I've got a complaint about your time. You always go to bed late and you keep the light on all night long. This makes me unable to sleep well. Well, I'm afraid there is nothing I can do about that, actually. You know, I have to work part-time online at home to earn money for my study. Why don't you use a lamp instead of the ceiling lights? I am so sorry, but can you keep calm? I nearly forget about it. I will use my lamp. Okay, I hope that you don't repeat everything again. Yes, I promise. I will cook the lunch now, okay? Okay. Sorry to keep you waiting, and here's your order. 3 slices of pizza, 1 order of fried chicken with broccoli, 1 order of spaghetti, a steak, an onion soup, and a chocolate cake. Let's eat, I'm starving. I'll try the pizza first. They look good.
It looks okay. How is Nick?
Okay, I guess, but I think we should have ordered 5 or 6 slices. These slices are much smaller than I expected. Yeah, I agree with you. Now, let's try the chicken. It's my favorite. Sometimes I think I can't live without it.
You really have a good sense of humor, Nick. Oh my! This chicken looks pretty dry.
Really? How does it taste? I'm afraid it's not very fresh. I think it must have been frozen.
Let's send it back.
How about the broccoli, Susan? You don't like the broccoli, do you?
No, I don't. I hate broccoli.
You can try the spaghetti, Susan.
I don't think we made a very good choice.
Really? Why's that?
Yeah, I think I can make better spaghetti than this.
It was overcooked and too spicy. Well, it was actually overcooked, but I suppose you enjoy spicy food, Tom. I do like spicy food, but this dish is too spicy. Let me try it. Oh my god, water please! It is too spicy for me to have a second bite.
You shouldn't have tried it, Nick. I hope the steak won't disappoint us.
So do I. This is our only main dish left for today. But look, it's already really small. It's definitely not enough for the 3 of us.
That's alright. I'm on a diet. And today I don't feel like eating much. So you two can enjoy it.
Oh my god, it's too tough. I can't even cut it. Yeah, it was overcooked too. We forgot to ask them to make it medium rare. It was our mistake.
Don't worry, we still have the onion soup and a chocolate cake.
I guess I can't eat this soup. What's wrong with it? It was much too salty. Really? Let me try. It is okay. I think it suits my taste.
I'll try it too. Oh no, eating too salty can harm your health, Tom.
I don't find it salty at all.
Believe me, eating too much salt can cause high blood pressure, which is a very dangerous disease. You should limit the amount of salt your body takes in.
Susan is right. You should control your salt consumption. Thank you guys. I will consider it. Now, let's try the chocolate cake. It looks delicious. Susan, you can have it first. I know you have a sweet tooth, don't you?
Yeah, but it's so disappointing. This time it was much too sweet. I couldn't eat more than 2 bites.
What a terrible meal. Yeah, terrible meal. Let's complain to the manager about this meal.
It won't change anything. I suggest not going to this restaurant anymore. Do you know any other restaurants?
Have you ever tried that seafood restaurant on Main Street? Not yet.
Me neither.
You should. It's great. I go up there often.
Okay, let's try that restaurant next time.
Okay. Now let's ask for the bill. We have to go home now. It's too late.
Okay.
Don't forget to give us a like. Thank you and see you again.